Welcome to Realtor Gary Kelly's podcast on all things real estate.
Hi, this is Gary Kelly. I'm here at Java in Northborough with Brad Avergon from Envision Bank. And one of the things that, I work with buyers and we say, it's time to apply for a mortgage. And at that, the wind is sucked out of the room. Everyone Is it really that hard to get a mortgage?
It's not, Gary. It's not. There's a lot of, I think there's a lot of emotion and apprehension going into it. People are frightened they're going to be judged. I had a 30-day late on a credit card. It's going to come back. And, what happened 10 years ago with my student loan payment? There's a lot of apprehension about that. But, the truth is, it's really not that hard to get a mortgage. There's so many different programs that are out there that have, programs that are with low down payment. There are programs that have less than stellar credit. There's a lot of different opportunities. I think the whole trick with getting a mortgage is addressing it right up front. Getting into the planning phase. I try to make it really easy for my clients, whether they want to meet in a face-to-face in person, which a lot of people do, or if it's because of their schedules, and people have crazy schedules now. We can do a conference call at night sometimes after they put the kids to bed, and it's a simple. If they want, they can.
Would you ever go to Java in Northborough and do a mortgage application?
Of course I would, Gary. Why not?
If people ask us, where are we going to go to write an offer? I actually do have an office somewhere, but if it's evening, going to a quiet corner of a restaurant might be more enjoyable because it's an important process, but it doesn't have to be a sterile process.
Absolutely. One of the things that people love is, and I put this out a number of years ago, is these conference calls after hours, because they come home, they have their dinner, they put their kids to bed, and then they sit down and it's 9 o'clock at night, and we have a conference call and we set up and we just talk. It's not a formal application. We just talk about numbers and payments and comfort zone and assets and all sorts of things. And they get comfortable. And then whenever they're ready, that we can either meet in person or they can apply right online and make it very easy. Some people are up at 3 o'clock in the morning and they're just wide awake people and they want to do their application online. Whatever makes it easiest for the client is what I want to do. And after that, it's a matter of me taking a look at reviewing all their documents and their credit and setting them on a path that's going to be comfortable for them, where they're going to win not only in the short term by getting the property, but they're going to be able to afford that house long term.
Yeah, what I say to people is, I want to work with you on finding the home. I don't want to know all of your personal financial information. So I look and say, the mortgage person is the financial priest, I'll be the housing priest, but we'll keep it separate. And it's not that I don't want to understand anything that they're up against, any unique challenges, but I don't want to know about, they didn't pay their student loan back in 2005. That's between you and them.
And the other thing is, sometimes they're going to have a change of life coming up. Oftentimes with a new couple, they're saying, okay, we got, we're in double income, no kids right now, but they're in the planning phase. At one point, they want one of those parties wants to be able to leave the workforce. So I look at that. We talk about that stuff and say, well, what if just one of you was working? Could you afford that monthly payment on an ongoing basis? Because if that's in the plan, let's talk about it. That's in the overall,
What's an abbreviation for double income, no kids?
DINKS.
Exactly. On that bad joke, we will end our discussion with Brad about how hard it is to apply for a mortgage. Thanks, Brad. Thanks for coming out. Thank you for watching.